This is Mama Mish, and today in the Magic Kitchen, we are making a delicious salmon spread. But first, let's discuss gefilte fish. What is it, and why? Gefilte means stuffed in Yiddish. The fish is deboned, chopped, ground, mixed with matzah meal, onion, eggs, and seasonings, and shaped into oval balls that are poached in fish stock. I have often compared it to a fish hot dog. Unless it is homemade and made well, I'm sorry, but I think it's nasty. The stuff in the jar should stay in the jar and never enter your gastric system. It's just my never humble opinion. The history of it is fascinating. The taste is just not appealing to me. I remember having to eat it at every Jewish holiday that my paternal grandmother hosted. I do like horseradish, so I just drowned the gefilte fish with it and felt my sinuses clear. The tiniest bite of gefilte with a giant glob of horseradish. It was my least favorite part of any of her holiday meals. She was not a great cook to begin with, and that gefilte fish came straight out of that jellied Manischewitz jar. I was just picking at my plate until dessert. She could not cook to save her life, but her baking was out of this world fantastic. At our Passover Seder, I usually serve salmon in lieu of gefilte fish, and this salmon spread is one of my favorite ways to serve it as an appetizer. But be careful. Eating too much salmon can gill you. Follow, like, subscribe to our socials, and share our links, and let Mama Mish make your kitchen magic. It might be messier than gefilte fish, but I like this better any day.